The first step. The first step is about your first dream. The first step is about believing in yourself. The first step is about accepting your first compliment with grace. The first step is about attracting the positive energies from the cosmos. The first step is about encouraging others with your stories. Welcome back. Hi, I'm Hasini and CEO of The First Step. It's basically a talk show where I interview young achievers. And as said, the mantra and motive for this first step is all of us have the same neurology. If it is possible for others, it's possible for me. So if these kids could achieve many great things, why can't your children do them? Okay, whatever it is. Great to connect with one more inspiring story here today.
Hi, this is Keshika Manohar.
Hi.
I'm 12 years old and I'm chef.
Good, interesting, and as you know, I have some questions which you're gonna answer. Basically, I said you're just gonna read your mind out. Okay.
Yes, okay.
Okay. We'll go for the first one. You ready?
Yes.
Could you please talk about your YouTube channel, Vayadi Samayal?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel called Vayadi Samayal, and I started. My sister gave me a idea to start a YouTube channel, and my mom was a big support. My sister used to shoot so many videos for me, and actually, my friend Vishwa's mom, Anu auntie, I'm so much inspired by her, and she also has a YouTube channel. And seeing her only, I started my own YouTube channel.
Okay. For me, inspiration. According to my mindset, I thought inspiration will be at a very high level, like how to say, Thomas Alva Edison. Great people who achieved a lot. But from hearing this, I could understand. Inspiration even starts from a person who at least have achieved something. It should not be great. At least they do something inspiring. There's something to be noted. Okay. So why did you name it as Vayadi Samayal? Is there any reason or story behind it? Basically, Vayadi means chatterbox in Tamil. Is there any?
Yeah. Basically, I'm so talkative. I'm so talkative, so my mom suggested me this name. Nowadays, people who call me and ask me, "Hey, Vayadi Valli. Hey, Vayadi, are you taking orders today?" Like that only they used to call me.
Okay. So do you like it?
Yeah, of course I like it.
Okay. You talk about everything. Now, coming to this point, how do you react to your negative comments? Of course, you are on social media. You will definitely get negative comments and positive comments. So how do you react to your negative comments?
I won't react that much to all those comments. I'll make it better next time. I'll make the videos which they like it next time. And not so many comments. Till now, I got only one comment for my caramel bread pudding. I don't know. Someone said that this is a very bad recipe for lockdown, but I didn't care of it, and I asked them what recipe you want, and I made that recipe which they wanted.
Positive, you being positive. This can be followed. Listeners, I'll give you a tip from her side. Okay. And okay, I'll move to the next now. You have your own online weekend business called Case Kitchen. So you've been an entrepreneur here. What and all you do there? What is Case Kitchen? Could you brief about it?
Yeah, Case Kitchen is basically a weekend online business in which we sell brownies, choco lava paniyaram, which me and my mom invented, pickles, mayonnaise, jams, and more.
Okay.
And my sister gave me this idea to start a weekend online business because I started cooking daily a dish. I just love cooking, so cooking is a part of my life. So I love cooking. So my sister suggested me to start a weekend online business. And for this business, my mom was my biggest support because she used to help me a lot. She used to help me a lot in everything. Yeah, even though if she can't do it, but still she'll say that I'm able to do it and she'll do it.
Okay. How do you do your deliveries?
Yeah. There's also takeaway. They can come to our home and they can take it. If it's too long, if there's too long distance, we'll give the delivery through Dunzo or Swiggy.
Okay.
Otherwise, if their homes are near by our home, my mom will help me to give me. My mom will help me a lot.
Okay. Cool. She's encouraging you a lot. Yeah. And parents who watching this, please encourage your kids towards his or her passion so that she could achieve something. Just try doing it and you'll get a better result. And all the best. Okay. So have you done any live cooking, Keshika?
Yes, I have done live cooking on para learning. I taught them vanilla banana pancakes. And I was so excited, and I was so excited. I was so happy on that day because even small kids were cooking with their grandmom and their parents. I was so happy, and I thank Abhishek Anna who gave me the opportunity to teach in live. Yeah. Came in Facebook Live and para learning. I went through para learning.
Okay. So, talking about when you do live recipes, definitely you might have done some homework for that, some preparation. Could you talk about that?
Yeah. So, before my live, I tried my pancakes 3 times, and I was so confident that it will come out very well. If it's some other recipe, some other tough recipe, like nothing is tough for me, but if some other is something complicated, I would have done it at least 5 times. But this pancakes are so easy, even kids can do that easily. So that's why I tried it 3 times.
So even, in recorded videos itself, I used to feel that. How do you feel it in live? Do you have, how do you correct your mistakes next time?
Yeah, actually, for the first time I flipped the pancake. It did not come good at the first time. That too in live, I was like, it's okay, next time I'll try. And I did it the next time. Next time it came perfectly, the pancakes, and everyone got it in the first time itself. But I thought, kids are really better than me.
Now I come back here. So sometimes your dishes does not satisfy the right taste or the right consistency. Whatever. Okay. So what would be going through your mind that time? Do you think?
Think that the whole dish will be spoiled, but my mom will help me to correct it, and she's my main backbone, and she will help me a lot. Like if sometimes I add a lot of baking soda in one particular dish, and it will not pop quite good. So it's like the next time I'll try to make a better thing with measured properly. I do that. My mom will help me a lot.
So first thing over here is get your support from experienced people, and the second thing is learn from your failures. There are no failures, only feedback, and learn from your failures. Try to make it better next time. Don't try, do it better next time. Okay, and listeners, please don't drop it over there. Continue it and try it better next time so that it can. And next question, what's your goal? Your dream goal?
So my first dream goal is to help the stray dogs, and I wanted to feed them, and I also wanted to give food for the people who are starving in the streets for food. I will surely do that, and that's my first goal. And my second goal is to start a restaurant after I feed all the dogs. So that's my second goal, is to start a continental restaurant. And my third goal is to start a home for dogs. I'm a crazy pet lover. Not only dogs, I can have any animals there.
Okay, cool. See, you're just 12 years old. According to me, a 12-year-old kid, even me, I never think about these stuff. And you being so kind to everything. you love the world, and not only that. And all the best. Hope you achieve everything you wanted to. Be happy.
Thank you.
Okay. And apart from cooking, what's your ambition?
So my ambition is to become a veterinary doctor.
Okay.
So I love pets, so I wanted to become a veterinary doctor. I wanted to do free treatment for the pets, for the stray dogs which are infected, which are starving for food. I'll surely help, and I wanted to rescue more dogs.
Okay. All the best for your cause and motive, as said before, and keep smiling. Okay. That's and if you have the power what you wanted, what would you do for our society? You also mentioned about the dogs. What do you? I mean, you'll help the all street dogs and all. I mean, society. I mean, I'm talking about people who are in hunger or.
Yeah. I'll just keep a hygienic hotel for the people who are starving. So whenever they want, they can come there and eat free food.
Okay.
They'll be so hungry, which is so hygienic and it's so healthy. It should be so healthy.
Okay, always for your motive. Again, I'm saying you're just a kid right now, and all these plans only comes to my mind when I could only see it from 10 years from now. But you actually planning everything, and you follow that so that you go and you plan everything so that you could achieve it. Okay, and all the best.
Thank you.
And could you give us a 2-minute recipe?
Yeah. So let's. I'll give you chili garlic bread. So first you need to take 1/4 cup of 3 tablespoons of butter, and chop some garlic. Put it inside and double boil it for some time, so that the flavor of the garlic will get into the butter. And next, grab 2 bread. Spread the butter on one side, and on other side you can spread butter itself, or you can spread sauce or mayonnaise, and you can put some veggies on that. You can put onions, broccoli, lettuce, and more, which are good for health. Yeah. And then you can toast it in the oven, or you can toast it in a dosa tawa, or you can just eat it like that.
Okay, thank you, and we'll definitely try it out. Super easy, fast recipe which you can have it as a snack. And please go check out YD Samayal, her channel, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you wanted to order food, don't forget to order it in Case Kitchen. And to achieve what you wanted, what is the first step you're going to take? Do not forget to comment down below if you know a child. If any of these stories inspired you to for you to take your first step. And thank you for being here, Keshika.
Yeah, thank you. Please do like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel YD Samayal. And please do follow me on Instagram, Case Kitchen.
Okay. Have you watched any of the first step videos? You've liked it, and do you want to learn anything from that? Do you want to take up anything?
Yeah.
Inspiring?
I saw Vinisha's video. She was a home baker, and now she has her own, a brand. I actually, she's one of my inspiration, and she's so good at baking. I saw her whole video.
Okay.
I liked it a lot.
Vinisha, she's here and she's gonna be happy about it. At least seeing a kid telling that, a kid telling another kid that she's inspired by her. And thank you.
Yeah, even I'm inspired by my friend's mom, Anu auntie. She cooks very good at her home. It'll taste damn good.
Okay.
Yeah.